how to fix Facebook notification not working. Now, let's say you want to know why your Facebook notification isn't popping up on your notifications bar. So all you have to do to fix the Facebook notification not working is to go to your settings. And when you're on your settings, all you have to do is to tap on notifications and status bar right here. Just have to search for Facebook and make sure that you allow notification on the Facebook app. After that, you just have to go back to your Facebook account right here and go to main menu. These three lines in the upper corner. While you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. You have to tap on settings. Scroll down until you find notifications right here. Now let's say you want to be notified when someone tagged you on a post. You just have to tap on that and make sure that everything is toggled on right there. So that's how to fix Facebook notifications not working. Hope we help.